Hey everyone, Lee here, and in this quick video I'll be showing you how to find and manage the clipboard on your iPhone. It's a quick and easy process, so let's jump right into it. First, I'm going to open up Safari and select a random article off the internet. Let's say I want to copy a paragraph and paste it elsewhere. All I need to do is tap and hold my finger on the text and slide to the end of the paragraph. Then, at the top left of the screen, a dialog box will appear where I can select Copy. To paste the paragraph elsewhere, I can tap and hold on a new location and then hit Paste. Easy, right? But what if you want to access your clipboard history? Unfortunately, the iPhone itself doesn't actually allow you to access the clipboard history, but there are third-party apps available to download that can help you. To find them, go onto the App Store and search for Clipboard. The app I recommend is Clipboard Plus++, which can manage your clipboard history. You can easily copy any of your previous selections and paste them anywhere you like. With Clipboard Plus++, you can manage your clipboard history on your iPhone, which isn't possible within the iPhone settings itself. Hope this video helps you find and manage your clipboards on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.